It's recording.
Hi.
Hi.
I'm Liani. This is...
I can't introduce myself. Hi, I'm Stephanie.
Say what up.
What's the deal?
Okay. I have weight on my... on my eyelids. Why are you... everything I say... Shut.
We're so high.
Where I... What's I? Hi, God. Yeah.
No,
Try to drink.
you know what the problem is? The problem is not my mom. It's there's gonna be a guy here fixing the sink
You're
in the
fucking
morning.
kidding me. You are.
And he's gonna smell any little different, you know? Oh my god, I'm gonna die tonight. Leonie's gonna go back to Portugal.
Cause my mom...
I'm never gonna get a car. My mom's not gonna help me with college.